Talk truth. Talk truth. Hey guys, welcome back to a oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday and I'm starting off the vlog here. I guess you guys saw me making a peach cobbler and ended off there stuff, but it's Saturday and my tree is up. Yes guys, it's right there. And in this vlog you're going to see me decorate my tree. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do. Thanksgiving is coming up guys, and yeah, it's a visit, you know, food and baking. Decorate my tree. Now I did get my stuff out. I did show you guys what I bought from Amazon and stuff, and that one right here is like old stuff. So I can show you old stuff that I had from last year, and yeah, you guys are going to see me decorate that, but it won't be tonight. I'm just starting off the vlog here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is Monday and I am going to put up my tree. Well, sorry, I'm going to decorate my tree. I already put up my tree. It's right over there. I took my decoration stuff up and I did buy some stuff from Amazon just to catch you guys up if you're just watching this for the first time. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's pretty late. It's like around 10 o'clock. Guys, my day was a bit busy, so I couldn't do this without, like, it had to be in the night. It had to be in the night. So here I am. I have my lights out and stuff. You got ready. You got ready. And I have my makeup on from day, so don't judge me. So I'm gonna put you guys on here. If I didn't show you, this is the tree. This is the tree. And I have this curtain for it. Something fell on it, so I gotta wash that. And these are the decorations. One from Amazon, those are the older ones. But I'm going to change this. It's been here from like 2 years now or whatever. Listen, we live in an apartment and we're not trying to, I mean, that's not adding too much. I guess I'm just lazy. Elaborating tree before. Alright, so the first one to go up is this little guy. I had him for years now. He's so cute. Look at him. I think he deserves to be hung right here. I don't know. Make it look like he's going down the ribbons, you know?
So I'm excited about these one. They're so cute. They go with the theme, white, green, you know, and stuff. So I'm going to put it on there. Ooh, I'm kind of liking it. I feel like it needs more ribbon and stuff. I don't know where exactly I want to put it. But just random place. But yeah, guys, so I'm gonna take a break from the tree because I kind of feel like it doesn't really need anything else. But yeah, because I do have the center table that I want to show you guys that I'm going to kind of revamp. So yeah, I'm gonna finish this up a bit and then I'll show you how it looks, and then I'll head on to the...
Hey guys, so it's the next day and I'm just going to show you guys how I redecorate my kitchen island. It's pretty simple. I use the stuff that I bought from Amazon in the haul that I showed previously. So yeah, I'm just using a runner. I'm not so fond of the runner, but it works, I guess. And then this is like my whole arrangement, which is dry flowers, and I'm removing that. It's kind of messy. But this is how it looks. It's so cute, but I decided to just change the vase just to see how it would look, and I prefer this one, honestly. And then I add those little mini Christmas tree, and yeah.
Hey guys, so today is Wednesday. It's the day before Thanksgiving. I'm doing some cleaning and some stuff because I'm just in the vibe, like, to just make me a bag of things, like, literally. And I'm in my bonnet, so don't judge me. Don't judge me. Alright, so I just got some stuff from Amazon, and I'm not me showing you my address. Don't look. I'm just gonna unbox it here with you guys. I've been trying to get my husband to wear robes and stuff. So he likes hoodie and stuff, like lounging and stuff. So what better way, you know? It's a black one, and yeah. So this is it. I think he bought, not sure, but it's a black one. Sweet, and I think he's gonna love it, honestly. He's actually the one who purchased it. Like, he went and purchased it. All these stuff are from Amazon. Let's see, I think this might be the tint. Now, I always wanted to try this brand. Let me know. So I always wanted to try this brand, so this is it. It's the even tinted lace, and it's in medium dark. Hopefully I choose the right one. I did buy a little synthetic wig for Thanksgiving. I tend to do that every year, and they always come out so fire. Like, people always love it. So I might do a video on here showing you guys what I bought. And then there's another one. Let's see. Oh, so my 3-year-old, he's reading now, like literally reading. When I tell people he's reading, they don't believe me. He's not fully talking, but he's reading. Don't ask me. All right. But I'm very big on teaching and stuff. So this is sight words. So since he's reading and stuff, I want him to get more words in, and I've been buying him a lot of books and stuff. So when you open it, listen, if you're a mom watching this or whatever, start him early. Teach him these letters and stuff. It works out. So yeah, and to, you know, sight words. So I think this is gonna be something he's interested in, because he's also interested in books. If I buy him a book, he'd be over there in it. Just, I don't know, he's very interested in books. All right, and the next one is what my husband bought this. The Willie Lynch letter. So The Willie Lynch Letter and the Making of a Slave. I guess he wants to read this. It's quite a simple read. The Willie Lynch Letter, written by Willie Lynch, widely considered to be one of the top 100 most controversial book of all time. For many, the Willie Lynch Letter is required reading for various courses and curriculums, and for others, the Willie Lynch Letter is simply a highly controversial book that they must... Okay, see, like the person was repeating this stuff right there. I feel like I want to read it. I'm always quite interested when it comes on to history and stuff. As the time I say, every time I hear about these things, it's like I get eaten. You're probably right. Alright. So.
Out. Baby.
Good job.
Out. Let's see.
Then. Them. Good job.
Them.
Yeah.
These.
These.
So.
Good.
These.
Yeah.
Some. Some.
Good.
Here.
Her. Here you
Her.
go.
Some. Would.
Would.
Make.
Make. Good job.
Will. Like. Him.
Good job.
Like. Mom, did you know that after I just
Into.
scared stuff about time.
Time.
Last remember yesterday.
What's this?
Two. More.
Good job.
Two. What?
Right.
White. Go.
Good.
See. Number.
Good job.
Number. No.
Yeah.
Way.
No way.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
No way.